Number 1. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Because honey has very little water and is naturally acidic, bacteria struggle to grow inside it. Number 2. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it through the rest of the body. Their blood is also blue because it uses copper instead of iron to carry oxygen. Number 3. The fingerprints of a koala are so similar to humans that they can sometimes confuse forensic investigators. Even under a microscope, they look remarkably alike. Number 4. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer. When metal heats up, it expands, so the tower can become about 15 centimeters taller during warm weather. Number 5. Bananas are technically berries, but strawberries are not. In botany, berries develop from a single flower with one ovary, which bananas do. Strawberries develop differently, so they don't qualify. Number 6. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Scientists estimate there are about 3 trillion trees on Earth, while the Milky Way contains roughly 100 to 400 billion stars. Number 7. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. The planet rotates so slowly that it takes about 243 Earth days to spin once, but only about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Number 8. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping so they don't drift away from each other in the water. Groups of resting sea otters are sometimes called rafts. Number 9. The inventor of the microwave oven discovered it accidentally. Engineer Percy Spencer noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket melted while he was working near radar equipment in the 1940s. Number 10. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. Scientists measure this using mirrors left on the moon during the Apollo missions. Number 11. In Switzerland, some cows are walked down mountains by helicopter. This happens when steep terrain or injuries make it difficult for them to travel safely on foot. Number 12. The first alarm clock could only ring at 4 a.m. Inventor Levi Hutchins built it in 1787 specifically to wake himself up at that exact time. Number 13. Dolphins give each other unique whistles that work almost like names. They can recognize and respond to the whistles of specific dolphins even after many years apart. Number 14. Saturn would float in water if you could find an ocean large enough. Even though it's enormous, the planet is mostly made of gas and has a lower density than water. Number 15. In Japan, there are trains that can clean themselves while moving. Some bullet trains use special systems to reduce dust and keep windows clean during operation. Number 16. The M's in M&M's stand for Mars and Murray, the surnames of the candy's creators. The candy coating was designed to prevent chocolate from melting in your hands. Number 17. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop. Scientists believe the unusual shape helps keep the poop from rolling away, allowing wombats to mark their territory more effectively. Number 18. The world's largest snowflake reportedly measured 15 inches wide. It was observed in Montana in 1887, according to records from the time. Number 19. Some turtles can breathe through their backsides. Certain freshwater turtles absorb oxygen through special areas near their tails while being underwater during winter. Number 20. The sound of cracking a whip actually comes from a tiny sonic boom. The tip of the whip moves faster than the speed of sound. Number 21. Ancient Romans sometimes used crushed snail shells in cosmetics. They believed the ingredients could improve skin appearance. Number 22. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Even though clouds look light and fluffy, they contain huge numbers of tiny water droplets spread across a large area. Number 23. The creator of Pokemon was inspired by collecting insects as a child. Satoshi Tajiri loved bug collecting so much that he wanted to recreate the feeling of discovering creatures. Number 24. Bamboo can grow incredibly quickly. Some species can grow nearly 91 centimeters or about 3 feet in a single day under the right conditions. Number 25. The fingerprints on a guitar string can sometimes be heard in studio recordings. Musicians and producers occasionally keep the sound because it adds character and realism. Number 26. The first oranges were actually green. In warm tropical regions, oranges can stay green even when fully ripe because chlorophyll remains in the peel. Number 27. Penguins propose to each other with pebbles. Some species search carefully for smooth stones and present them to potential mates while building nests. Number 28. Leonardo da Vinci could write with one hand while drawing with the other at the same time. He was known for his extraordinary coordination and creativity. Number 29. There's a species of jellyfish considered biologically immortal. This jellyfish can revert to an earlier stage of life instead of dying naturally in some situations. Number 30. The world's quietest room is so silent that people can hear their own heartbeat and even the movement of their joints. Most people can only stay inside for a short time before it feels uncomfortable. Number 31. The famous Hollywood sign originally said Hollywoodland. It was built in 1923 as an advertisement for a housing development before the final 4 letters were removed. Number 32. Some astronauts say space smells like burnt steak or welding fumes after a spacewalk. The scent clings to their suits when they return inside. Number 33. Cows have best friends and can become stressed when separated from them. Studies have shown that certain cows prefer spending time with specific companions. Number 34. The oldest known musical instrument is a flute made from bird bone and mammoth ivory. Scientists estimate it is over 40,000 years old. Number 35. A single bolt of lightning can heat the air around it to temperature hotter than the surface of the sun for a brief moment. Number 36. The tiny pockets on jeans were originally designed for pocket watches. They first appeared in the 1800s before wristwatches became common. Number 37. Some frogs can freeze during winter and thaw back to life in spring. Their bodies produce natural chemicals that protect their cells from damage. Number 38. The world record for the longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years. An American man named Charles Osborne reportedly hiccuped from 1922 to 1990. Number 39. The northern lights are caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with gases in Earth's atmosphere, creating glowing waves of color across the sky. Number 40. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks have existed for more than 400 million years, while the first trees appeared around 350 million years ago. Number 41. Some cats are allergic to humans. Just like people can be allergic to cats, cats can react to dust, pollen, or even, in some cases, human skin particles. Number 43. The first photograph ever taken required an exposure time of several hours. Because of this, moving people and objects didn't appear in the image. Number 44. Owls can't move their eyes from side to side. Instead, they rotate their heads up to about 270 degrees to look around. Number 45. The dot over the letters I and J has a name. It's called a tittle. Number 46. Some volcanoes can create lightning during eruptions. The phenomenon, known as volcanic lightning, happens when ash particles collide and build up electrical charges. Number 47. The smell of freshly cut grass is actually a distress signal. Grass releases chemicals into the air when damaged. Number 48. Bubble wrap was originally invented as wallpaper. The creators later realized it worked better as protective packaging. Number 48. The world's deepest post box is underwater in Japan. Divers can mail waterproof postcards from it. Number 49. Polar bears have black skin underneath their white fur. The dark skin helps absorb heat from the sun. Number 50. The shortest war in history lasted less than an hour. The Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896 reportedly lasted around 38 minutes. Number 51. There are waterfalls underwater. This can happen when sand and sediment flowing beneath the surface create the illusion of an underwater waterfall. Number 52. A violin contains over 70 separate pieces of wood. Even though it looks simple from the outside, it's made with remarkable precision. Number 53. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins can. Sloths slow their heart rates and can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. Number 54. The first known vending machines were created in ancient Egypt. They dispensed holy water when a coin was inserted. Number 55. Some spiders can travel through the air using electricity in the atmosphere. This behavior is called ballooning. Number 56. The largest living structure on Earth is the Great Barrier Reef. Great Barrier Reef stretches for over 2,300 kilometers and can even be seen from space. Number 57. Raindrops are not actually tear-shaped. They are usually more round or shaped like tiny hamburger buns as they fall. Number 58. The first computer mouse was made of wood. It was invented in the 1960s and looked very different from modern versions. Number 59. A day on Mercury lasts about 59 Earth days. The planet rotates very slowly compared to Earth. Number 60. Pineapples take a surprisingly long time to grow. Most pineapples need nearly 2 full years to develop. Number 61. The tiny hairs inside your nose help filter dust and particles from the air before it reaches your lungs. Number 62. Some parrots can understand concepts like shape, color, and numbers. Certain parrots have demonstrated problem-solving abilities similar to young children. Number 63. The world's largest desert is Antarctica. Even though deserts are often associated with heat, a desert is defined by low rainfall. Number 64. The sound in old arcade games was often created with very limited technology. Early game composers had to make memorable music using only a few electronic tones. Number 65. An astronaut once played golf on the moon. Alan Shepard hit 2 golf balls during the Apollo 14 mission in 1971. Number 66. Butterflies can taste with their feet. They use sensors on their legs to identify suitable plants for laying eggs. Number 67. The first oranges brought to Europe were likely more bitter than modern oranges. Sweet oranges became widespread later through trade and cultivation. Number 68. Some lakes can explode. Rare lakes containing large amounts of trapped gas can suddenly release carbon dioxide. Number 69. The human body contains enough carbon to make around 900 pencils. Carbon is one of the most important elements in the body. Number 70. The longest English word typed using only the top row of a keyboard is typewriter. Number 71. The Great Wall of China is not visible from the moon with the naked eye, despite a popular myth suggesting otherwise. It is very long but relatively narrow compared to natural landscapes. Number 72. A day on Earth is not exactly 24 hours. It's about 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds. Number 73. The speed of sound is about 343 meters per second in air at room temperature. This is roughly 1,235 kilometers per hour. Number 74. Lightning can strike the same place more than once, especially tall structures like skyscrapers and radio towers, which are more likely to attract strikes. Number 75. The human brain is made up of about 75% water, which is one reason hydration can have an impact on focus and concentration. Number 76. There are more possible chess games than there are atoms in the observable universe, due to the enormous number of move combinations. Number 77. The Eiffel Tower is repainted roughly every 7 years to protect it from rust, and it requires hundreds of tons of paint each time. Number 78. Sound travels faster in water than in air. In water, sound moves about 4 times faster due to the density of the medium. Number 79. The human eye can distinguish around 10 million different colors thanks to specialized cone cells in the retina. Number 80. A bolt of lightning typically lasts only a fraction of a second, often just a few milliseconds, even though it appears longer to the human eye. Number 81. The Amazon River discharges more water into the ocean than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Number 82. The Milky Way galaxy is estimated to contain over 100 billion stars, though the exact number is still being refined by astronomers. Number 83. Some metals, like gallium, can melt in your hand because their melting point is just above room temperature. Number 84. The human body produces a new outer layer of skin roughly every 4 weeks. Number 85. There are more bacteria in your mouth than there are people on Earth, even in a single drop of saliva. Number 86. The Sahara Desert was once a much greener region, thousands of years ago, with rivers, lakes, and vegetation. Number 87. The fastest wind speed ever recorded on Earth inside a tornado exceeded 480 kilometers per hour. Number 88. The Library of Congress in the United States is one of the largest libraries in the world, with over 170 million items in its collection. Number 89. The scientific term for brain freeze is sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. Number 90. Canadians say sorry so often that a law was passed in 2009 declaring that an apology can't be used as evidence of guilt. Number 91. Back when dinosaurs existed, there were volcanoes erupting on the moon. Number 92. The only letters that don't appear on the periodic table are J and Q. Number 93. One habit of intelligent people is to be easily annoyed by those around them, but say nothing to avoid a pointless argument. Number 94. Some mountains are still growing today because tectonic plates beneath the Earth slowly continue to collide. The Himalayas are an example of this, growing a few millimeters each year. Number 95. The human eye has a natural blind spot where the optic nerve connects to the retina. You don't notice it because your brain automatically fills in the missing visual information. Number 96. Some plants can survive long periods without water by entering a dormant state. During this time, they slow their metabolism dramatically to conserve energy until conditions improve. Number 97. The moon's gravity is responsible for creating tides on Earth. As the moon orbits our planet, its gravitational pull causes ocean water to bulge outward on one side. Number 98. Some galaxies are moving away from us extremely quickly due to the expansion of the universe. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it appears to be receding. Number 99. The Earth is surrounded by a thin layer of ozone in the stratosphere. This layer absorbs most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation, protecting life on the surface. Number 100. Some stars end their lives by slowly cooling down into dense remnants called white dwarfs. These objects no longer produce energy through fusion, but can glow faintly for billions of years. Number 101. Some fish live their entire lives in complete darkness in deep ocean environments. Many of these species rely on heightened senses instead of vision. Number 102. The human body continuously produces new taste receptor cells. This is one reason why your sense of taste can subtly change over time. Number 103. Some deserts experience extreme temperature swings between day and night. It's common for temperatures to drop sharply after sunset due to dry air. Number 104. The Earth follows an elliptical orbit around the Sun rather than a perfect circle. This means its distance from the Sun changes slightly throughout the year. Number 105. Some birds, including parrots and corvids, can recognize themselves in mirrors. This ability is linked to advanced problem-solving skills. Number 106. The ocean contains trace amounts of gold dissolved in seawater. The concentration is extremely small, making extraction impractical. Number 107. The human eye constantly adjusts exposure in real time, allowing you to see in both bright sunlight and dim environments. Number 108. The Earth is about 4.5 billion years old, based on radiometric dating of rocks and meteorites. Number 109. Some fish, like clownfish, live among sea anemones and are protected from their stinging tentacles. Number 110. The speed of a hurricane's rotation is determined by differences in air pressure over warm ocean water. Number 111. Some planets in our solar system have rings made of ice and dust particles that orbit around them. Number 112. The human body contains elements like calcium, carbon, oxygen, and iron, all formed in ancient stars. Number 113. Some glaciers move so slowly that their motion is only measurable over long periods using GPS technology. Number 114. The Mariana Trench is the deepest known part of Earth's oceans, reaching depths of nearly 11 kilometers. Number 115. Some birds can sleep with one half of their brain while the other half remains awake to monitor surroundings. Number 116. The Earth completes one orbit around the Sun in approximately 365.25 days, which is why leap years exist. Number 117. Some desert plants have roots that extend deep underground to reach hidden water sources. Number 118. The surface of Mars contains iron oxide, essentially rust, which gives the planet its reddish appearance. Number 119. Some species of jellyfish are capable of reverting to earlier life stages under certain conditions. Number 120. The moon always shows the same face to Earth due to tidal locking. Number 121. Some clouds form from tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. Number 122. The Milky Way galaxy rotates slowly, taking hundreds of millions of years to complete one rotation. Number 123. Some deep-sea fish have bioluminescent organs that help them attract prey or mates. Number 124. The sun's energy comes from nuclear fusion reactions occurring in its core. Number 125. Some insects communicate using vibrations transmitted through plants or soil. Number 126. The Earth's surface is constantly changing due to erosion caused by wind, water, and ice. Number 127. Some planets have extremely long seasons due to the tilt of their rotational axis. Number 128. The human brain processes visual information faster than text-based information. Number 129. Some coral reefs are visible from space due to their size and brightness in shallow waters. Number 130. The atmosphere of Venus is mostly carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. Number 131. Some animals, like octopuses, can change both color and texture to blend into their surroundings. Number 132. The North Star appears nearly fixed in the sky because it aligns closely with Earth's rotational axis. Number 133. Some bacteria can survive in extreme environments, like hot springs or deep underground rock layers. Number 134. The Earth's mantle makes up most of the planet's volume beneath the crust. Number 135. Some galaxies contain billions of stars bound together by gravity. Number 136. The largest known canyon in the solar system is Valles Marineris on Mars. Number 137. Some birds use landmarks like rivers and coastlines to navigate during migration. Number 138. The human body uses electrical impulses to send signals through the nervous system. Number 139. Some clouds can form wave-like patterns due to changes in wind speed and direction. Number 140. The sun rotates on its axis, but different parts rotate at slightly different speeds. Number 141. Some planets experience extreme storms that can last for centuries. Number 142. The ocean contains vast underwater mountain chains formed by tectonic activity. Number 143. Some plants release oxygen during the process of photosynthesis using sunlight energy. Number 144. The Earth's inner core is solid due to extreme pressure despite very high temperatures. Number 145. Some moons in our solar system have subsurface oceans beneath icy crusts. Number 146. The speed of light is the fastest known speed in the universe. Number 147. Some animals use camouflage to avoid predators by blending into their environment. Number 148. The Earth's orbit slightly changes shape over long cycles due to gravitational interactions. Number 149. Some stars appear brighter or dimmer due to distance and size differences. Number 150. The telescope was invented in the early 1600s, allowing humans to observe distant celestial objects in far greater detail. Number 151. Some materials expand slightly when heated because their atoms vibrate more intensely, increasing the average distance between them. Number 152. The human brain can continue forming new neural connections throughout life, a property known as neuroplasticity. Number 153. The concept of standardized time zones was introduced in the 19th century to coordinate railway schedules more efficiently across large countries. Number 154. Some plants release volatile organic compounds when damaged, which can signal nearby plants to strengthen their defenses. Number 155. The invention of the microscope revealed an entirely hidden world of microorganisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Number 156. Some musical rhythms naturally align with patterns found in human movement, which is why certain beats feel easier to dance or tap along to. Number 157. The development of agriculture allowed early human societies to transition from nomadic lifestyles to permanent settlements. Number 158. Some crystals form in repeating geometric structures because of the way their atoms bond in highly ordered patterns during cooling. Number 159. The study of earthquakes shows that seismic waves travel through different layers of Earth at varying speeds depending on density and composition. Number 160. Some animals use bioluminescence not only for lighting, but also for communication signals during mating or territorial behavior. Number 161. The printing of early newspapers played a key role in spreading political and scientific ideas quickly across regions. Number 162. Some bacteria in soil help plants grow by converting nitrogen from the air into forms that roots can absorb. Number 163. The human eye adjusts focus using a flexible lens that changes shape depending on the distance of the object being viewed. Number 164. Some ancient navigation methods used ocean swell patterns and wave direction to determine proximity to land without visible landmarks. Number 165. The development of photography allowed for scientific documentation of motion, leading to early studies of movement and time exposure. Number 166. Some metals exhibit memory effects, meaning they can return to a previous shape after being deformed when exposed to heat. Number 167. The study of glaciers provides insight into past climate conditions, as layers of ice preserve atmospheric data over thousands of years. Number 168. Some birds build intricate nests using specific materials selected for strength, insulation, or camouflage. Number 169. The invention of batteries made portable electricity possible, enabling devices to operate independently of constant power sources. Number 170. Some fungi form symbiotic relationships with tree roots, exchanging nutrients in a mutually beneficial system. Number 171. The development of early mathematics allowed ancient civilizations to construct complex architecture with precise measurements. Number 172. Some fish adjust their buoyancy using internal gas-filled organs that help them maintain depth in the water. Number 173. The human voice is produced when air from the lungs causes the vocal cords to vibrate within the larynx. Number 174. Some ancient civilizations tracked time using water clocks, which measured time based on the regulated flow of water. Number 175. The study of optics explains how light bends when passing through different materials, a phenomenon called refraction. Number 176. Some plants have evolved seeds that travel long distances using wind, water, or animals to spread to new environments. Number 177. The invention of the compass allowed for more accurate long-distance navigation by using Earth's magnetic field. Number 178. Some enzymes in the human body act as catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions without being consumed in the process. Number 179. The development of early chemistry involved observing how substances react when combined, heated, or dissolved. Number 180. Some animals communicate using chemical signals called pheromones to influence behavior such as mating or marking territory. Number 181. The study of fossils helps scientists understand how species have evolved and adapted over millions of years. Number 182. Some modern building materials are designed to be self-healing, repairing small cracks over time using chemical reactions. Number 183. The human ear contains 3 tiny bones that amplify sound vibrations before they reach the inner ear. Number 184. Some rivers change course over time due to erosion and sediment buildup along their banks. Number 185. The invention of the steam turbine significantly improved energy efficiency and electricity generation. Number 186. Some animals can sense Earth's magnetic field and use it as a navigation aid during migration. Number 187. The study of astronomy relies on analyzing light from distant objects to determine their composition and movement. Number 188. Some traditional textiles are created using natural dyes extracted from plants, minerals, or insects. Number 189. The human body regulates temperature through processes like sweating and blood vessel dilation. Number 190. Some ancient writing systems use symbols instead of alphabets to represent ideas or words. Number 191. The development of electricity grids allowed power to be distributed across entire cities and regions. Number 192. Some fish species migrate between freshwater and saltwater environments at different stages of life. Number 193. The study of acoustics explores how sound behaves differently in enclosed spaces versus open environments. Number 194. Some plants can grow in extremely nutrient-poor soils by forming partnerships with fungi or bacteria. Number 195. The invention of the camera lens system allowed images to be focused more sharply and accurately. Number 196. Some materials, known as semiconductors, can control the flow of electricity depending on conditions like temperature, pressure, or applied voltage. This property makes them essential in modern electronics such as computers and smartphones. Number 197. The human brain interprets depth and distance by combining slightly different images from each eye, a process that allows us to perceive the world in 3 dimensions. Number 198. Some ancient civilizations align their buildings with celestial events such as solstices and equinoxes, allowing them to track seasonal changes throughout the year. Number 199. The invention of the wheel greatly improved transportation engineering by making it possible to move heavy objects with far less force than dragging them. Number 200. Some plants have evolved waxy coatings on their leaves that help reduce water loss by limiting evaporation in dry environments. Number 201. DNA contains the biological instructions for all known living organisms, and its structure explains how genetic traits are passed from one generation to the next. Number 202. Some animals use mimicry by copying the appearance or behavior of other species, which can help them avoid predators or improve their chances of survival. Number 203. Refrigeration technology significantly changed food storage by slowing bacterial growth. Number 205. Some ancient timekeeping systems use sundials, where shadows cast by the sun indicated the time based on its position in the sky.